Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Grilling with Rubes, and a warm welcome to those of you tuning in for the first time. Thanks for joining us. Today I'm going to be grilling deep fried hot dogs with a bourbon onion chutney and bourbon baked beans on the grill. Stick around, I know you're going to love it. So let's get grilling. Alright, so I'm going to start off with our bourbon baked beans, and what I have here is 28 ounces of your favorite baked beans. What you also want to do is drain off about half of the liquid. So this will go into our cast iron skillet. Half a red onion, chopped or diced. And I got a quarter cup of ketchup, quarter cup of yellow mustard, about a half a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and about a tablespoon of soy sauce. And then lastly, we've got our bourbon. We've got about a quarter cup or more of your favorite bourbon. And I'll just stir everything together. And we've got our Applewood smoked bacon right here. And we're going to cut these into about an inch. Make sure they're cold so they're easier to cut. I'm just going to lay them over top. I'm going to cut up a few more, but you want that completely covered. There we go. So now we're going to put our baked beans. We're just going to put it right over here on this half, and then we're going to let that go. We'll come back in about 30 minutes and check to see how they're doing. Cheers, guys. Oh, I needed that. Oh, it'll make the baked beans taste a lot better. So for our deep fried hot dogs, what I'm using here is an aluminum pan, and I've got the Blackstone on high, and I'm using vegetable oil right here. You can use peanut oil, canola oil, whichever you prefer, but I've found that vegetable oil works the best. So we're just going to fill an inch up from the bottom, just to kind of, when the hot dogs get in there, just so they're covered. I'd say probably right about there. We want that temperature to be at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So we'll come back and check on that in a little while. And I've got an onion sliced up into half moons, and we're going to put some avocado oil down first. And we'll get our onions down there. For this recipe, red onions are the best. The sweetness, I think, work a lot better than white onions. Just want it to start softening out. Okay, this is where we're going to put in our dry ingredients. A teaspoon of mustard seeds. And this is, of course, optional, but we like the red pepper flakes. About a teaspoon of salt. Quarter teaspoon of pepper. So for our deep fried hot dogs, what I'm using here is natural casing, and these are all beef. Into here. Okay, so with the heat down low, we've got here a quarter cup of brown sugar, and we got about 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and then here, as you please, some bourbon, probably maybe about a quarter cup. There we go. Let everything reduce down. Oil ripping hot. And we go with our hot dogs. There we go. They're starting to look really good. So you want to get the bacon, of course, a little crispier. We'll give this maybe about another 15 minutes and we'll come back. All right, so our hot dogs are good here. They've got a good crispy skin on it. Okay, we're just going to put them down on these paper towels. Awesome. There we go. Just got 3 more. All right, so I'm going to put some mayonnaise on our hot dog buns. Oh yeah, so we've got our bourbon baked beans are all set to go. Let me take this off. All right, so we're ready to plate. And I've got some yellow mustard that I'm going to put on the bottom. Okay, we're going to take one of our hot dogs. I can't wait to try this. So let's take a good scoop of our baked beans with delicious bourbon. All right, so let's try the hot dogs out. Ooh. Oh boy. You pick up little hints of bourbon. Fantastic. Whoa. Of course, we've got to try our baked beans. Again, a little bit of the bourbon, but it's the perfect combination with the beans. That's it for today, everybody. Thanks for joining us. I appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, enjoy what you're seeing, please hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, watch for my upcoming videos. See you next time.